Good evening, I'm Mark Kiesling.
And I'm Julie Williams. Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker lost his court battle this week.
A panel of Illinois judges ruled against the governor's school mask mandate appeal. The 4th District Appellate Court says school districts will have the final say in the matter. That doesn't mean masks won't be regulated in certain school districts. It's still important to check with your local school district on its current policies. The Illinois Federation of Teachers has responded to the judge's ruling, saying the decision makes one thing clear. School districts are free to implement their own safety measures around COVID-19. As cases continue to decline, discussions about removing these mitigations must be based on good public health decisions. Medical science tells us that vaccinations, masking, and proper ventilation have been the best ways to maintain health in schools.
And Governor Pritzker responded to the court's decision today. In a statement, he encourages schools to do their best to provide a safe learning environment. That statement says, quote, "The governor is disappointed in the court's decision and concerned for the health of those in schools, particularly vulnerable children and adults, and the ability to continue in-person learning." The governor's office says they're working with the Attorney General to request a review of the court's decision.
School districts in our region say the new ruling is not changing much how they operate day to day. The initial restraining order issued at the beginning of the month raised more questions and conversations from parents than this latest ruling. El Dorado school officials say masks are already optional in their district, where attendance is on par with pre-COVID levels. Superintendent Ryan Hobbs says those numbers reflect the success of local control.
We now have local control over what we do, and that's the way that things should be. That's why we elect our school board members, and because what's good for El Dorado might not be good for other communities in Illinois or even Southern Illinois, and so I feel like that's why the local control is very important.
Several school districts in our region have already lifted COVID-19 restrictions. We have a list available on our website, WSILTV.com.